In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Gmail account. Open your preferred browser and tap Gmail sign up. It's right here. Click create a Gmail account. Down here, click create account. Enter your first name. Last name is optional. Click next. Enter your birthday information here. Choose your gender and click next. It's time to create a Gmail address. You can use letters, numbers, and periods. I'm going to say James. Edit it. Let's see if that is not taken yet. Click next. It says that has been taken, meaning someone is currently using that. We have the available Gmail addresses that we can pick from. I will choose the first. Choose that and click next. Create a strong password. Click next. Don't want to save that. Enter your mobile number. And click next. Check a message and enter the 6-digit verification code in here. Click next or hit enter. Add recovery email. Let's skip that. Click next. Privacy and terms. Agree to that. Confirm. There you have it. You have successfully created a Gmail account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this.